Watch the full guidance to determine the beliefs you still hold about us working here with you. You will start to enjoy this as time goes by. Yes, this feeling of support will be very good for you as the unfriendly vibrations are working against us to find a way through the coming hurts that will be unstoppable. What do you mean by the coming hurts? You will have come to a time when all world leaders are in conflict. You will all be affected by this vibration. Yes, you must all act with a internal thinking to vibrate your way through your void of uncertainty to develop a togetherness that begins to do the right things for all. A great awakening. This is your chance to work through the fears that get in the way of the vibration of greatness that awaits you all. You will be happier in the other world that awaits you. What do you mean by the other world? The one you will all create together.